You want to sit down, Ron, or you want to stand just like that?
No, I'll stand like this.
Okay, I'm gonna get some altitude. Wind's coming out of the east, so it's gonna want to favor turning.
I love how this thing will bring an airplane right in. In fact, too much.
Take it to the north.
Too much.
Okay,
Okay, there I am.
let me line it up a little bit. I'm gonna turn it around this way and then level it. All right, you should be able to go from there. Just take your time and not worry about it. Not worry about it because you got a co-pilot here.
Well, there's another plane in the air, but I'd say he's high enough not to bother you.
Go to the left. Go to the left. Go to the left. Left, left. There you go. You don't have to horse a lot of elevator, a little bit. Manage your throttle. Go to the right a little bit. Keep it as flat as you can on your turns. Okay, now bring her onto the left. Keep that nice and steady. No elevator. Don't worry about the elevator too much. There you go. You got it level. Push the elevator nose down just a touch. And the wind's going to want to blow away from us. So bring us into the wind this side. Either right or left makes no difference. You're going left now. And just let it come to us. Flatten it out to the right. To the right. You're doing fine. Right now it's going away, so now then give it right. Push the stick all the way to the right. There you go, now let go of it. Are you giving it elevator when you do that? No. Okay, because she's nosing up a little. All right. I'm gonna take the stick, you keep the radio, I'm gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna take it left. Get it back over in our neighborhood. It's coming to us. When it comes to us, it gets hard to see. So I nosed it down a little bit. And it pitched. It's wanting to porpoise just a touch. Okay, can you see it? It's pitching up a little. There you go. You're getting your sea legs back. Looking good. Keeps wanting to pitch up on you a little. When I fly, I'm so, I guess, without thinking, if I get a pitch up, I nose it down a little bit to counteract it. So. Nope, nope. It was just you're right in the margin on the throttle, I think. If you bounce in a certain spot where it starts counting, it, if you're right there on that, I've seen mine do that. I've got a hand sensitive. Smooth, nice.
Where's she at?
Well, you're a pilot, man. I didn't know you were a pilot. amazing. You know that a guy connects with his airplane and he's flying it. You know what I mean? When no Folk was out here, you could tell he was so far disconnected.
Yeah.
Had you ever flown this before?
Me?
Yeah. Okay. Well, you're doing dandy.
He used to fly his apprentice.
Yeah?
Ron did.